How to delete your Credit Karma account permanently. First of all, open the app on your phone and log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. From here, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen to open the main menu. In the menu, scroll down and select Profile under the Settings section. You will see a page with your personal information, including your name, address, and contact preferences. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where you will find three options: Download my information, Close my account, and Contact member support. Since you are here to delete your account, tap on Close my account. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to permanently close your account. Tap Yes, Close my account to finish the process. Now you know how to delete your Credit Karma account permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.